This is the Hemp's Magnesium Body Lotion in the Serene Waters scent, a soothing moisturizer designed to help hydrate and care for your skin. This lotion combines magnesium with ingredients like arnica to create a formula that focuses on comfort and hydration. Magnesium is often used in body care products as part of relaxing self-care routines, while arnica is commonly included in skincare formulas for its soothing properties. One thing that stands out about this lotion is the lightweight, creamy texture. It spreads easily over the skin and absorbs without feeling heavy, making it a nice option for daily use after a shower or before bed. The Serene Waters scent also adds to the experience. It has a fresh, calming fragrance that makes the lotion feel more like part of a relaxing routine, rather than just a basic moisturizer. The bottle contains 17 fluid ounces, which is a generous size for keeping at home on your nightstand, bathroom counter, or in your self-care collection.